Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So today we're going to talk about the Toyota 4Runner. There is speculation out there right now, some rumors circulating that the Toyota 4Runner might be dead. Now, do I believe that? No. I'd have a hard time believing that Toyota would end production of one of their most popular platforms. I mean, just to give you an idea of just how successful it has been, we're talking anywhere from 115,000 to 145,000 sales each year with a 4Runner. That's huge. Only second really to the Tacoma, right? So that's awesome, and it's a huge selling point, especially within the United States. But there is some validity to the rumors and speculation, I think. And what is that? We have the brand new 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser coming to the United States, being reintroduced to the North American market with the 250 series, the Prado that we're going to be seeing tomorrow sometime for the official unveiling event down in Texas. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to provide that content to you with you guys, although I wish I could. I'd be so excited to do that, but maybe next time. We're going to keep trying, okay? So I'd be curious to know what your thoughts are. We had the new Land Cruiser coming back, and it does kind of scratched the itch of what the 4Runner has historically done for us, right? It is going to be a very similar size as the 4Runner, you know, very similar, hopefully price tag is what we're hoping, is what we're at least thinking at this point. Nothing is solidified yet, but we know that the 200 series was not successful because of how much Toyota wanted for it. We only got the top trim editions here in the United States that costed just under $90,000 for the 2020 Heritage Edition Land Cruiser, and then $86,000 and some change for the 2020 base model Land Cruiser. So it's just too much. It was always a little bit out of reach for most people. The 4Runner, on the other hand, always varied between, about $40,000-ish, a little bit over 40, up to $57,000 now for the TRD Pro. It's always kind of been in that sweet spot for most Americans. I'm hoping that Land Cruiser of Toyota kind of learned from their mistakes, and that the new Land Cruiser, the new 250 series Land Cruiser coming to the United States, is going to be more affordable. It's going to be in that $50,000 price range is what we're thinking, maybe even starting in the high 40s perhaps. And if it is, where does that put the 4Runner, really? Then when you combine that with the Toyota Sequoia, and then when you combine that with like the Lexus GX550, the LX600, we have so many other options on the table right now. Where does that 4Runner actually fit in the equation? So I don't know about you guys. I have not seen anything from Toyota officially, announcing the 6th generation 4Runner. I haven't heard any actual updates from Toyota on that. Nor have I actually seen any continuation updates of the 2024 5th generation model. I have not seen anything showing the new 2024, the new 5th generation 4Runner. So I'm hopeful that they continue. I'd be shocked if they actually did decide to kill it off. Now, I think the thing that might be closer to reality, again, this is just me speculating totally out loud with you guys, would be them canceling the 2024 model of the 5th generation. So having a 1-year break, a 1-year hiatus, if you will, between actually, and Toyota historically doesn't do this, so again, it can be a shock to me, but I think that is more likely, rather than them actually killing the 4Runner, the nameplate entirely, for the sake of bringing the Land Cruiser back, but rather killing it off for 1 year while they finalize the finishing touches on that 6th generation 4Runner that we're all kind of hopeful for. We expect that 6th generation 4Runner to have that the same exact power plant as what we're going to see in the new Tacoma, the 2024 Toyota Tacoma. The 4-cylinder iForce Max is what we expect to see in it for the TRD Pro anyway, right? So a smaller displacement motor, but with higher performance numbers between the turbo and, of course, the battery power pack that it'll have. So I just kind of want to voice those thoughts to you guys. Do you think there is a possibility for Toyota to kill off the 4Runner? And what do you think that possibility is? Is it likely? Or do you think they're going to do it just for 1 year until they finalize their finishing touches on that 6th generation 4Runner? So I'd be curious to know what your thoughts are. Is that too crazy for Toyota to do? Thanks for watching as always. Till next time.